Hi, this is Connor. He is not very good at scooting. Hi, this is James. He's a pro, and yeah, he's a bit taller.
He's my friend.
And he is going to teach Connor. Okay. He's going to teach him a hop. Bunny hop. Okay.
Grab your
Come.
So, Connor, start off with, you need to get the push. Or how you feel comfortable to push. Okay, so, got that. Once you've got that, you need to practice that. 5 hours later. Right, once again, you've got the push. Once you've got the push, bend your knees and straighten them. Bend, straight. Bend and straight. Bend and straight. Right, you've got that. Now, you come into the jump bit. Bend, straight, and pull. And pull the scooter up with you. Okay, and pull. And now, with your feet, you flick with the back as well. So you go like that. You pull the back.
This is a J hop.
Go. Really, you like the first two? Go. Yes, sir. Right. Do the jump. And there's your J hop. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Woo.